Hello, my dear students. I welcome you to the GK class. Today we will continue with the chapter 9. Okay, so let's start. Here you see in page number 38 it's written on a journey. So, don't you love to travel? When I was your age, the best part of the family vacation was the journey by the train. So, I think you people also have gone somewhere by train, which is very fun. I would love to sit by the window and count the number of electric poles and tunnels that we passed through. So, do you all do that? Do you count the electric poles? Okay, so I would also love to meet and make new friends. Yes, we all love to meet and make new friends. In your school also you meet and make new friends. Nowadays, the cost of air tickets is much less and many more people are traveling by air. So, if you want to go to any state of India or outside India, you can go there by planes as well. So, for going to the plane, you have to cut tickets. Before starting on a journey by train or aeroplane, I need to check. So, if you want to go somewhere by aeroplane, what do you need to check? Have I packed everything? So, did you pack your toothbrush, your dresses, clothes, your essentials? Have I put in last minute essentials like my toothbrush and slippers? Is my phone charged? And am I carrying my charger? So if you have a phone, your phone is fully charged, and did you forget to carry your charger? Because without charger you won't be able to charge your phone. Do I have my ticket? Without ticket you cannot enter in the plane. What is the time of departure on the ticket? Am I carrying a face mask and hand sanitizer? Because you know that we are going through COVID, so you have to have a face mask and hand sanitizer as well. Sometimes the train or plane could be delayed. There are phone numbers which we can call up to find out the correct time at which the train or plane will leave. So you have a phone number. In that phone number, if you call that, whether the plane or train is on right time or it will be late or not. Okay, so let's go to the next slide. Always ensure that you leave well in advance so that you can reach the station at least 30 minutes before the train departs. So you should always reach the station before 30 minutes. In India, you need to reach the airport at least 1.5 hours or 1.5 hours before the flight takes off. On a train, what you should not do? Do not run up and down in the corridor. That is very wrong. Do not climb up and down in the berths as well. Stick your arm out in the window. You should not stick your arm out in the window. Do not throw empty packets or food items on the ground. No. Throw used cups and plates out of the window. That you should not do. You should never throw the used cups and plates outside the window. And do not make loud noises and disturb your fellow passengers. So if you make noise, if you run here and there, the fellow passengers will be disturbed. So just this is page number 39. Let's go to the next page. So what is it written? Self-appreciation. Write some of your strengths. So you people are having some strengths somewhere you are very good at. Maybe you can sing well, you can dance well. So you will write down some of your strength. So over there you see we are having 5 dashes. On the 5 dash you can write down enthusiasm. You are a very enthusiastic person. Trustworthiness. You trust people. Creativity, you are very much creative, making some new things. Discipline, you are very much disciplined. And patience, you have patience to do any work, even if it takes time, you have patience to complete it. So you can write down these 5 on the dashes. If you want to write down something else, that also you can do. So first one is enthusiasm, second one is trustworthiness, third one is creativity, fourth one is discipline, and fifth one is patience. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Write some of your hobbies. Here also see 5 dashes are there. Your hobby can be singing, dancing, anything, drawing. So you will write down your hobbies over there. Here see I have written hiking, painting, sculpture, writing, running, dancing. So here I have given 6 options. Within 6 options you can choose any 5 options, and if you have any other hobby, that also you can mention over there. Okay, so let's go to the next slide. This is your homework. Create a few things that you wish to learn. What are the few things that you wish to learn in your life? Maybe you wish to learn how the people are, making sculptures, or you wish to learn how the scientists are making the aeroplanes, and you wish to learn how to create a mobile phone and all. So whatever new things you wish to learn in your life, you will write down over here on the 5 dashes. This is your homework. Okay, let's go to the next slide. So here you see test paper 1. Now we will solve the test paper 1. Answer these questions. Number 1. Which is the most populated state in India? The answer is Uttar Pradesh. So all of you quickly with your pencil, beside the question you write down Uttar Pradesh. Number 2. What is a serious piece of writing that ends sorrowfully called tragedy? The answer is tragedy. Number 3. Who was the first Indian to travel to space? The answer is Rakesh Sharma. So Rakesh Sharma is the first Indian to travel to space. Now number 4. How many half hours make a day? The answer is 48, because 24 hours make one day, right? So in 1 hour 2 half hours are there. So 24 into 2, 48 hours. Okay. Now number 5. The twigs of which tree are used to brush teeth in India? The answer is neem. So twigs of neem trees are used to brush teeth in India. The answer will be neem. Number 6. Which animal has zebra-like markings on its legs? The answer is okapi. Okapi is the animal which has zebra-like markings on the legs. The answer is okapi. O-K-A-P-I. Number 7. In which state is the Pushkar fair held every year? The answer is Rajasthan. You know, in Rajasthan every year they are having Pushkar fair. Okay. R-A-J-A-S-T-H-A-N. Rajasthan. Number 8. Which country won the FIFA World Cup for the first time in 2010? The answer is Spain. Number 9. What key must be pressed with the Alt key to switch between open programs or windows in a computer? The answer is tab. T-A-B, tab. Number 10. Which was the first Asian city to host the Commonwealth Games in 1998? The answer is Kuala Lumpur. K-U-A-L-A, Kuala, L-U-M-P-U-R, Kuala Lumpur. Number 11. Bihu is a folk dance belonging to which state in India? The answer is Assam. In Assam, Bihu is a folk dance which is danced by the people. Okay. Number 12. What is the meaning of the idiom turn a blind eye? Means pretend not to notice. Means you have seen something but you did not notice. You just pretended that you did not notice. So the answer of number 12 will be pretend not to notice. Now number 13. Which national park is believed to be the only one that floats? The answer is Keibul Lamjao. The answer is K-E-I-B-U-L. Keibul, L-A-M-J-A-O. Keibul Lamjao. Number 14. Which is the largest internal organ in the human body? The answer is liver. Liver is the internal organ, right? It is the largest internal organ in the human body. The answer is liver. Number 15. What was the name of the first artificial Earth satellite launched by the former USSR? The answer is Sputnik 1. Sputnik. Sputnik, then 1. Sputnik 1 was the name of the first artificial Earth satellite launched by the former USSR. Okay. So again I am telling you the answer. Number 1, Uttar Pradesh. Number 2, tragedy. Number 3, Rakesh Sharma. Number 4, 48. Number 5, Neem. Number 6, Okapi. Number 7, Rajasthan. Number 8, Spain. Number 9, Tab. Number 10, Kuala Lumpur. Number 11, Assam. Number 12, pretend not to notice. Number 13, Kabul Lamjao. Number 14, liver. And number 15, Sputnik 1. I hope you have written the answers in your copy. Okay, so this much today. I hope you learn all the answers that you have written today. Thank you so much, class.